Hello everyone, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina, your upstate Bennington dealer. Today I'm going to show you a 2021 Bennington 22 SSRX tri-tune powered by a Yamaha 150 horsepower motor. This boat has the smoky granite panel color with the platinum interior with an espresso and firecracker accent. It's a beautiful boat. Why don't you come up and take a better look with me. Some of the equipment that you're going to see on this boat is a nice bow rectangular table and the espresso finish to match the interior of the boat. It has the portable or removable cup holders that you can place anywhere throughout the boat to give a handy location for your drink. This floor plan has the captain and co-captain's chairs with the stern radius seating. It gives great social seating arrangement for lots of your friends and family. Come on around and take a look at the dash with me. Beautiful dash. This boat has the full instrumentation with the Garmin Striker 4 depth graph and chart plotter. It has the upgraded Rockford Fosgate PMX2 Bluetooth stereo. They did a great job with the tilt steering wheel. The ergonomics of the throttle position are very good and good as well. You'll notice that this boat has the full woven vinyl flooring, no carpet. A couple of other standard features are the 10-foot long bimini top to give you lots of coverage from the sun for all-day boating. A full boat cover will come with it as well. And of course, you got to have the ski tow bar back here for pulling all your kids and families and friends on tubes and skis and wakeboards. This boat is available for sale as I'm speaking right now, so please come and give us a call and be the first to get this on the water. Thank you.